Top of the day, governor. Gonna try a new strategy here. It's called get in on every move on the micro pullbacks. Oh, there we go. Micro pullback. We're in. Failure. Oops. Forgot to start the old timer, the old 5-minute timer. We're in. We're in. Ooh, a failure to communicate. So far, it looked like this strategy does not work. But we shall continue for 5 minutes. If this strategy works, I'm gonna make $1,000 course out of it. Get Tony Robbins to endorse me. Jim Carrey. Everybody. Hugh Hefner, if he's still alive. Micro pullback, get the win. Ooh, so close. Nice. Ooh. Trading the 5-second chart should be easier. I know it's definitely easier with this music playing, so there's that. Dabia. Okay, the strategy is if it's going up, wait for a red candle to enter. Like right now, red candle, enter. If it's going down, wait for a green candle. That'll do. W for everybody. Green for going up, wait for red. A little more red. It's gotta be like the other candles maybe. Maybe that should be part of the rule situation. We're just getting whatever. See, that's where the big losh comes in, boys. Nothing can beat this strategy, basically. That's what I'm saying. Just W's for dudes. They call me Mr. W. They call me Mr. W. My car license plate says Mr. W. You guys ever heard this song before? It's amazing. Give it a pullback. A tiny baby pullback, and we're in. Come on, hold the line, boys. Hold the line. Hold the old line. Can't you hold the old line, boys? Hold the line. It's going up, so we're waiting for that red, then but we got this here. That's danger. We gotta go for it. 'Cause that's just who we are as people. We're those people now. That's who we is. It's those people. 1 second left on the click wheel. Was ready to know. Alright, let's see our trade session. We did a grand total of, started here, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 trades. We did a total of 24 trades. And how many of those were wins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 trades. 66.6% win rate. Wow. That's crazy that you can get that just with like freestyle trading. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Go out there and kick some